Do you ever pause mid sentence trying to translate words from your language into English and then forget what you were even saying? You're not alone. Every English learner faces this. But today, Adam and I will help you break that habit forever.
Yes, after this lesson, you'll stop thinking in translation and start speaking English more naturally, more fluently, and with more confidence.
Welcome back to Learn English Anyways. This is day 2 of our 7-day challenge. Sound like a native speaker. If you missed day 1, we talked about how to start thinking in English. And today, we'll go deeper. Because translating in your head is the first reason learners feel slow or nervous while speaking.
Exactly. When you translate, your brain is doing double work, first in your language, then in English. So we'll show you simple, powerful techniques to stop that loop and let English flow naturally from your mouth.
When you hear or read something, your brain tries to understand it through your first language. That's natural, but it creates delay. By the time you've translated, the conversation has already moved on.
And that delay kills confidence. You start worrying. Did I say it right? Is my grammar correct? What was that word again? You're thinking about English instead of in English.
Exactly. It's like trying to dance while counting your steps. You can't enjoy the rhythm because your brain is busy calculating.
To stop translating, you must teach your brain that English equals English. No middle step, no comparison. How? By creating small daily habits that train your brain to connect English words directly with meaning.
For example, instead of saying apple means Seb or manzana, just think apple fruit, red, sweet. I eat an apple. Connect it to images, emotions, real life experiences. That's how native speakers think.
When you hear coffee, don't translate. Picture yourself smelling it, holding the cup, feeling that warmth. Coffee. That's real understanding, not translation.
Let's practice 5 easy techniques you can use today. 1. Shadowing practice. Listen to short English sentences and repeat instantly. Don't think, just copy rhythm and tone.
Right. That's how your brain learns the sound patterns of English. The more you shadow, the less you translate.
When you hear a word, visualize it. Replace words with pictures in your mind.
Learn meanings using simple English, not your native language. For example, tired equals you want to rest.
Talk to yourself in English during daily routines. I'm making tea. It's sunny today. I need to send this message. This keeps your brain warmed up in English mode.
Read and listen to English a lot. Your speaking will follow naturally. Fluency is not memorizing rules, it's feeling the rhythm of the language.
Let's try something together. I'll say a sentence. Repeat it after me without thinking. I wake up early. I drink my coffee. I go to work. I talk to my friends. I learn English every day.
See, no translation needed, just rhythm, sound, and natural flow.
Every time you speak English, you're building a bridge in your mind, from translation to fluency.
So for today, your challenge is spend 10 minutes thinking only in English, no translating.
Tomorrow, in day 3, we'll learn how to sound more natural with real native-like expressions. So don't miss it. Hit subscribe and keep practicing every single day.
See you tomorrow on Learn English Anyways.